Becoming profitable in 2024 is so achievable. You are so close to overcoming that horizon and achieving everything you've ever wanted to achieve. You see, trading requires three really important things, and once you conquer these three important steps, you will experience results you've never experienced before. Profitability is achievable, and if you continue working and continue improving your set of skills, you will achieve that. Now, this may take a few months, this may take a few years, but once you achieve profitability, the results will outweigh all the hardships you've been through. Becoming profitable in trading is such a unique thing to experience because you not only experience financial freedom, but you experience freedom within yourself. You get to do exactly what you want to every single day, which is trading, making money from home, spending time with your family, spending time with friends, traveling, doing whatever you want. So, do not give up on trading. Profitability is doable. The most important part of becoming a profitable trader really revolves around three different things. Now, these three things are so crucial that if you don't master them, you will not achieve the success that you want to achieve in the long run. And it requires a lot of hardships that you have to experience and you have to go through them in order to learn those valuable lessons. As a trader, you will go through so many different phases and so many different emotions, and how you react to those emotions and how you react to your downfalls will determine if you can make it out and become profitable. So, there are a lot of hardships that we experience. It's not only just losing money, okay? It's doubting ourselves. It's thinking that we don't have it in us to become profitable. And the truth is, you have it in you. You just have to focus on improving yourself every single day as a trader. You cannot sit back and be lazy and not improve your skills as a trader. Now, these things include becoming detached from your emotions. Emotional traders, as I've mentioned in my previous videos, those are the people that lose everything, and those are the people that cannot overcome losses. Because when you're an emotional trader and you lose, your mind goes to very dark and very bad places. And in order to overcome this, you have to really set aside some rules that you follow strictly. So, how I overcame all of these hardships. The most important part is controlling your emotions. I've talked about this so many different times. I've talked about this in my past two videos as well. The emotions of a trader will get to you. And once you figure out how to tame yourself and how to not let money take over the way you trade, because that will ruin you. How I like to control my emotions is whenever I start hitting some bad trades, first of all, I stick with my plan. I do not let my losers run, okay? I try to let my winners run. I do not let my losers run. I take my losses, I move on. And if I continue to have a bad day, I close my screen, and you should too. Close your screen, take a break. Take a break for the day, take a break for the week even, because that really helps you clear your mind. Now, the second step, whenever I'm trading and I start to take losses, I reevaluate. I either stop trading for the day, I lower my position size, or I just close my computer. I've mentioned this many times, and the reason why I'm mentioning it is because it's super important. My dad always says, whenever I mention something more than once, it is very, very important. So that is why I am trying to drill this into your mindset. You cannot be an emotional trader. The next step is position sizing. Now, I do not want you guys to over leverage your accounts because that is a very big mistake I've made in the past. Over leveraging your account will lead you to destruction. Everything is connected, okay? Once you over leverage your accounts, that's most likely because you are an emotional trader. So if you learn how to control your emotions, you will not over leverage and take larger positions than you should. So see how they're connected? Also, another thing that you have to follow, you should be constantly expanding your knowledge when it comes to trading. There is so much to learn, and you cannot sit back and just trade with the same amount of knowledge you know. Every single day, other traders are becoming better. They are learning, they are reading, they're watching videos, they're expanding their knowledge with trading, and you have to as well. Because if you don't learn and grow, you will fall behind and you will not become a profitable trader. So make sure you're always up to date with recent news. Make sure you're up to date with market trends. Make sure you're up to date with every single possible thing in your sector because there's different ways to day trade. Make sure you're constantly up to date with market trends, market structures, news, catalysts, everything. Because every single piece of trading is connected, no matter what you're trading. There are many different styles, and everything is connected. Education is so key. If people are willing to go to college for 4 years, 6 years, 8 years, to learn their specific niche and their specific career path, you think that with trading, if you learn for a year or two, you're done? You have to constantly learn. It takes years and years and years. You cannot slack when it comes to trading. Most likely, if you're trading, you're either trying to avoid school, avoid a corporate job, or avoid working for someone else. So with trading, you have to be your own guide, your own boss. With trading, you dictate how much success you have in your life. There's not a clear plan when it comes to trading. You have to treat trading as a business and as a job. You cannot slack, you cannot show up late to work, you cannot leave early. You have to clock in every single morning before the markets open, and you clock out after the markets close. You need to learn, expand your knowledge. For me, the biggest struggle was just thinking that I knew everything with trading, which is ridiculous. I was younger and I had less experience, but I was cocky because I was making money and I stopped learning. I wouldn't go over my trades. I wouldn't look at the markets. I wouldn't try to figure out how can I be better. I would just trade, close my computer, move on. But now I journal every single trade, which is so important. Whenever you journal your trades and you really figure out exactly why this trade went in the green, exactly why it went in the red, why did I sell this position here, why did I hold on to it for this long, it's important to figure out why you trade the way you trade and see if it works, because just because you have a strategy and technique doesn't mean it's going to work all the time. So you need to adapt and you need to figure out how it works and why it works. Make sure you always improve your strategy and technique and go over your trades. That is so important, and you will become so much more knowledgeable in this field. The best way to become better is through experience and through practice. So whenever you're trading, every single day should be practice. Every single day should be experience. You are putting real money on the line. So you need to learn from every single trade that you do. Do not let yourself become cocky. That will bite you in the ass. I became cocky when I trade, and trust me, I lose. Other traders lose too. Once you start making money, you become comfortable, you stop learning. You cannot allow yourself to do that. Constantly learn, improve, and become better. I'm repeating this so many times because it's true. I'm sorry if I'm annoying, or I'm sorry if I'm becoming a broken record, but what I'm repeating is very important. So, to become profitable in 2024, follow your strategy. Do not become an emotional trader, and make sure you constantly improve your set of skills that you have developed. Because if you do not improve and if you do not increase your knowledge as a trader, you will fall behind and you will eventually become unprofitable. Trading needs to be treated as a career. You're in this for the long run. Do not look for temporary gains that don't help you become profitable in the long run. The worst thing you can do is make money in the beginning, become comfortable, don't improve your knowledge, don't improve the way you trade, and then you fall off. You don't want to be a one-hit wonder when it comes to trading. Make sure you're constantly improving your skills, and make sure you don't become like one of those artists that fell off after their one-hit song. Imagine if Michael Jordan, LeBron James, Steph Curry, whoever, one of those big basketball players, imagine if they made the NBA and they stopped working as hard. Because they hit their goal. I'm sure all their goals was to become an NBA basketball player. They get to that goal, and imagine they stop going to the gym every single day, or they stop playing basketball. They will fall off. They will get kicked off the league, and they will not make millions of dollars. So, as a day trader, just because you make money doesn't mean you have to stop. Just the opposite. If you're making money, you're doing something right, figure out what you're doing right, improve on it, and continue to grow. Because when you stop growing, that is when everything goes south. Being profitable is very, very achievable, and I believe in you, and you have to believe in yourself too. Because if you want to make millions of dollars in the long run, you have to focus on being the best version of yourself that you can be. There will be people that are better than you, that make more money than you, that are more profitable than you. You cannot let that affect you. You need to focus on becoming better than yesterday. And when you do that, I've seen young traders become successful and achieve everything they've ever wanted with trading. There's nothing stopping you or preventing you from becoming just like them. You got this. The only person you should be better than is yourself yesterday. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Dylan Marinov, and I really appreciate you guys watching this till the end. That means a lot. Thank you so much. And I am a new content creator, so if this video isn't that great, or if the quality isn't good, or if the mic isn't set up correctly, don't flame me in the comments. I'm so new to this, and it really means a lot that you watch it all the way to the end. And I'll be posting a lot more about my journey as a trader and how to improve yourself. So make sure you comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.